Hello everybody, welcome back to Davey the Computer Guy, and today, just wanted to talk a little bit about this computer slash my network setup. Basically, right now, I have, just a standard network. Like, I have an Ethernet cable plugged into the back of my computer, and I do everything from there. But that requires that I leave my computer on for long hours of the day to upload videos to different channels for different things. And it would be really nice if I didn't have to use my very power-hungry computer for uploading. So I thought I had this little Dell, which is a Dell. Oh, I'm trying to rack the corners of my brain trying to remember what it is. Oh, maybe it says on it somewhere. I forget what this thing is. Dell Studio Hybrid 140. Studio Hybrid 140G. Basically, it's just a very low-powered Intel Atom-based computer. Very low specs, not useful for pretty much anything nowadays, and would be great for an upload server. So basically what we're going to do today is set this thing up. We're going to set it up for remote access, and then plug it into my router in the other room and be able to access it from here without actually having to have a monitor and keyboard and mouse plugged into the thing. So without further ado, let's go over there and have a look at my setup. Okay, so I've got it set up in here. This is where it's probably going to live, right there. I have a keyboard and monitor hooked up to it right now, just because I need to do the initial configuration before we can make it just screen share. First things first, though, I need to give it Ethernet, and you're going to have to do with my one-handed camera work, as I do not have a tripod in here right now. So we're going to plug Ethernet into there, and then all the Ethernet on my router is full. So we're going to actually plug in to the power line adapter up there. So that's going to have to be how that is. I know this is a mess, but it's going to have to do for the time being. So let's just switch on the monitor and switch on the computer. Hopefully everything will just work. Here we go. Actually, I don't think it's an Intel Atom. I think it's an old Core 2. Please. Dell and their power adapter check. I'm using an HP power adapter, which provides enough power, it just won't do it. So I gotta go hunt down the Dell one. Okay, so we're actually going to be using my laptop charger for now, because I cannot for the life of me find the regular one. So this will do for now. Let's just hope it boots. It is a Dell charger, so it should work. But here we go. I mean, it's booting now, so that's good. I think this had, yeah, Windows 7. Okay. That's fine. That's probably the max that we can get this thing running with, like, I think it has maybe 4 gigs of RAM in it. We'll look at the specs once I get it all booted up. There's a few things I need to change. I think this was originally used as the music machine, which I used for a little bit of time, and it was just basically live streaming music 24/7 onto YouTube. And it didn't work out, and I was like, yeah, it just didn't work. So I'm not using that anymore. Turn numlock off. Pretty sure that's the password. Yeah, it is. Okay. Windows 7 Home Premium. I may have to update that to Professional for some of the tools, but that's okay. Does the mouse work? I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. I forgot I had also used this as a bit of a light gaming computer at one point, and I was messing with my brother, which was what that picture of was. So I need to do a lot of uninstalling of some things. I don't think you can do a straight up reset on Windows 7. You can restore your computer to an earlier time, but I don't want to do that. Alright, so I'm going to delete a bunch of stuff, clear a bunch of programs out, and then we will resume. Alright, we can now get started, which starts with a Windows Anytime upgrade, which I happen to have a key lying around. It will take about 10 minutes, which is fine. We are just upgrading from Home Premium to Professional, so I can use some of the features that come in the Pro version. So yeah, we're gonna wait for that to be done, and then the real networking will begin. So yeah. Okay, so now we have Windows 7 Professional, so now the real networking can begin. Basically, what we want to do is right-click on Computer down here in the taskbar and go to Properties. Right now, I have to activate it. Oh crap. Okay, well I'll do that. But right now what we need to do is see the computer name, which is still Music Machine. So we are going to change that. Rename. We're going to be changing this to hang on. Upload dash server. Upload server is what we are calling it. And we will click OK. We must restart our computer. OK, we will restart. And while that is restarting, we are going to go over to my computer and just have a look real quick at another networking thing. Crap, just knocked my keyboard down. Alright, we need to go to, not there, here, and then network. Alright, so this is my network at the moment. Some of these things are not. Alright, so eventually, oh, we need to change the name of this computer as well. So we're going to go to System once more. And we are going to rename this PC. Davey PC, because that's what it is. Next, we're going to restart this one as well, and then we need to do the same thing with the Mac, which is now starting up. So while that restarts, we will flip over to the Mac. And this should be rebooting over here while that's doing that, correct? Maybe? Should be coming. There we go. And now this name should be, yeah, there we go, Davey PC. Alright, let's see, if we go back in network, we should be able to see if the other one has come online, which, there it is, upload server. Oh crap, upload server. Alright, that is good. Alright, let us head over back to the server, which needs to be logged back in. That's fine. Numlock is on, therefore I cannot log in right now. Crap. Alright. I really hate this little keyboard. I mean, it's handy for this kind of stuff, but it's so easy to press wrong keys. Alright, now that the name is adjusted, we need to come into computer, network, network and sharing center, change advanced sharing settings, and we want to make sure that everything is turned on. We can turn off password protected sharing, that's fine. So basically now we can move files to the desktop. Actually no, we can't yet because I haven't shared the desktop. So we need to go computer, local disk C, users, Davey, right click on the desktop folder. As you can see there, we're going to go to properties. We're going to go to sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, we'll call it desktop, permissions, we're going to allow full control, apply, close, desktop is now shared. Now that should mean that if we go back over here, it's going to be a lot of this going back and forth in this video. We should be able to, provided Steam's not going to have a fit of me for some reason, Steam can go away. Alright, we should be able to click on upload server. We turned this off, but it should still work. If we just log in, there we go. Desktop. I do not have permission. Yes, I do, actually. Alright, let's reload the network here for a moment. I do not have permission to access upload server / desktop. One moment. Okay, so a quick fix over there. Should I keep wanting to go in there? Have us. No. That's strange. Okay, let's work on this for a minute. We're going to install TeamViewer, which is the way we're going to access this. And this is a free program. And just finished downloading. There we go. Basic installation, that's fine. This is personal, non-commercial. Let's show advanced settings. Yes. No, we're not putting it there. Actually, we're going to put it in that drive. TeamViewer. How come I just put that in? No, I don't need that or that. I don't need meeting add-in thing. All right, let's see. Just wait for that to be done. And aha, TeamViewer is installed. So this should hopefully just bypass the network entirely. Oh crap. Alright, so I need to go grab the partner ID of this computer over here, which is fine, we can do that. This is an older model of TeamViewer, but show TeamViewer. So my ID is 807-942-668. Alright. Connect. That's a problem. Okay. Oh, and then it wants password. Okay, I'm not going to show you that. Okay, I think after signing in, which I did do here, I should be able, if it's not going to crash on me, to show nearby contacts and devices, remote control, add. It's authenticating. And it's going to send a message, hopefully, if this works, over here. Which it did. We can allow. And now, look at here. Let's just remove that for now so you can see. Alright, let's say we want to do a remote update. Right now it's doing a remote update. Like, I can click on stuff, I can open the start menu. This is what I wanted to do. Awesome. It is currently updating TeamViewer so that I will not have to run back and forth to allow it, which means I can unhook the keyboard and mouse and everything. TeamViewer will close and install a new version. Okay, cancel. Alright. Now that always shows up there, which is fine. No, I do not want to start. Disable that. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, alrighty. So now, when it's done installing TeamViewer up here, or over here, I should be able to unhook everything, and it should just go. See, there it is, installing. So once it's done installing, we should be good to go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.